Hello friends, in today's video we will do a full review of the TECNO Pop 9 4G, a budget-friendly smartphone that stands out in terms of features. This phone comes in international and Indian variants, with some differences in their chipsets and specifications. The international variant is equipped with the Unisoc T615 chipset, while the Indian version features the MediaTek Helio G50 chipset. So if you're looking for a stylish and reliable phone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started with the detailed review of the TECNO Pop 9 4G. Friends, the TECNO Pop 9 4G has a very stylish and attractive design. The front is made of glass while the back and frame are plastic, making it lightweight yet durable. Another notable feature is its IP54 dust and splash resistance protection, which is a great addition in this price range. The TECNO Pop 9 4G is available in 3 stunning colors: glittery white, lime green, start rail black, so you can choose the color that matches your style. Now let's talk about the display. The TECNO Pop 9 4G features a large and crisp display. It has a 6.67-inch IPS LCD panel that provides a smooth experience. Refresh rate, international version, 120 Hz, Indian version, 90 Hz. This difference ensures that users in both regions get a suitable display experience. Moving on to the battery. This phone is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, which provides excellent usage time. For charging, it supports 15-watt wired charging, which is decent for this price range. It also supports dual SIM and has nano SIM slots along with a dedicated micro SD card slot. When it comes to memory and storage, the TECNO Pop 9 4G offers several flexible options: 64 GB plus 3 GB, PKR 23,999 Indian rupees, 7,200 Bangladeshi, Taka 10,300, 64 GB plus 4 GB RAM, PKR 25,999 INR 7,800, BDT 11,128 GB plus 3 GB, RAM PKR 27,999 INR 8,500, BDT 12,128 GB plus 4 GB, RAM PKR 29,999 INR 9,000, BDT 12,900. All these variants come with eMMC 5.1 technology. The phone runs on the latest Android 14 Go edition, which is lightweight and optimized for smooth performance. Now let's discuss the cameras. The TECNO Pop 9 4G features a single 13-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture dual LED flash HDR. For video recording, the phone supports 1080p at 30 frames per second. The selfie camera is 8 megapixels and also includes a dual LED flash, making it perfect for low-light selfies. The selfie camera supports video recording as well. In terms of additional features, the phone does not support NFC but includes an infrared port, allowing you to control other devices. For sound, it has stereo speakers and a 3.5mm audio jack. So friends, this was the full review of the TECNO Pop 9 4G. This phone is perfect for those who want good performance, a stylish design, and reliable features within a budget. How did you like this phone? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share, and for more informative reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care.